stage and introduce you and to felicitate them with a token of love by presenting a rose flower to all of them. So I call Madam Bharti Madam, please come onto the stage and join with me. And Manisha, bring all the flowers. Tarika teacher, I think so. Tarika teacher, come with your tray of rose flowers. And sir will call names one by one. Okay. Now call from morning shift onwards. Okay. Okay.
Hello.
All the names.
Now I am going to call the morning shift teachers. Sonal Chauhan teachers, please come on the stage. Sonal. Poonam Mehta teachers, please come on the stage. Poonam Mehta teacher, please come on the stage. My dear students, those who are sitting here, please encourage. Nanda Dhamma teachers. Nanda Dhamma teachers, please come on the stage. Simpi Gupta teacher, please come on the stage. Simpi Gupta teacher, please come on the stage. Hila teachers, please come on the stage. Hila teacher, please come on the stage. 1 minute, my dear parents. Hila teacher, our morning supervisor, is very excellent and hard-working, cooperative. Please give a big clap for her. Darsana Maurya teacher, please come on the stage. Darsana Maurya teacher, please come on the stage. Jena Solanki teachers. Mandarima Kushe teacher, please come on the stage. Sunita Joshi teacher, please come on the stage. Sunita Joshi teacher, please come on the stage. Poonam Swami teacher, please come on the stage. So, 1 minute, my dear parents. Sunita Joshi teacher, please come in front side. She is our music teacher. Excellent music teacher, singing and harmonium, everything. And now I would like to call Poonam Swami teachers, Swapna Pandey teachers, Sudha Misra teacher. Sudha Misra teachers, please come on the stage. Anita Parik teachers. Nidhi Patel teacher, please come on the stage. Nidhi Patel teacher, please come on the stage. Mala Pandey teachers, please come on the stage. Mala Pandey teacher, please come on the stage. She is our computer teacher. Please students, give a big clap to her. Sunita Singh teachers, please come on the stage. Sumita Singh teachers, please come on the stage. Smita Patel teachers, please come on the stage. Smita Patel teachers, please come on the stage. Neha Singh teachers, please come on the stage. Gohil Meena teachers, please come on the stage. Gohil Meena teachers, please come on the stage. Maya teachers, please come on the stage. Please, dear parents, give a big clap. They are non-shift teachers. They are controlling nano manno bacche. Please. Sweetie teachers, please come on the stage. Sweetie teacher, please come on the stage. Meenakshi teachers, please come on the stage. Savita Patel teachers, please come on the stage. Mani Yesupogo, teachers please come on the stage. Mani Yesupogo, teachers please come on the stage. Jagruti Shukla, teachers please come on the stage. Jagruti Shukla, teachers please come on the stage. Manju Thatrak, teachers please come on the stage. Manju Thatrak, teachers please come on the stage. Janvika Desai, teachers please come on the stage. Janvika Desai, teachers please come on the stage. Ruma Chand, teachers please come on the stage. Ruma Chand, teachers please come on the stage. Divya Patel, teachers please come on the stage. Divya Patel, teachers please come on the stage. Sonali Shukla, teachers please come on the stage. Sonali Shukla, teachers please come on the stage. Jignisa Panchal, teachers please come on the stage. Jignisa Panchal, teachers please come on the stage. Pragna Chaudhary, teachers please come on the stage. Pragna Chaudhary, teachers please come on the stage. Anuradha Bhatt, teacher please come on the stage. Anuradha Bhatt, teachers please come on the stage. Tosi Singh, teachers please come on the stage. Tosi Singh, teachers please come on the stage. Sangamitra Ghosh, teachers. Surya Kumari, teacher. Surya Kumari, teacher. Archana Modi, teachers please come on the stage. She is our supervisor in non-CF. Day students give a big clap to her. Savita Singh, Tomar, teachers. Savita Singh, Tomar, teacher. Poonam Prasad, teacher. Poonam Prasad, teacher. Gohil Mohini, teacher. Gohil Mohin, teacher. Rita Patel, teacher. Rita Patel, teacher. So these are our morning shift and non-shift teachers. So they are working hard here. They are very sincere, cooperative, punctual. So dear parents, again you have to join a big clap. So now I like to call Gyanesh sir, please come on the stage. Tripathi Kamlesh sir, please come on the stage. Tripathi Kamlesh sir, please come on the stage. Gyanesh sir, please come on the stage. Panchal Sonil sir, please come on the stage. Panchal Sonil sir, please come on the stage. Tripathi Rajesh sir, please come on the stage. Tripathi Rajesh sir, please come on the stage. Jonal Krishna Babu sir, please. Jonal Krishna Babu sir. Mukund sir, please come on the stage. Yesupogo Ashok sir, please come on the stage. Yesupogo Ashok sir, please come on the stage. Hussain sir, come on the stage. Hussain sir, please come on the stage. So again I am going to remind you, these are our morning shift and non-shift teachers, please.
I would like to call our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Dibakar Nayak. Please come on the stage. Without you, nothing is possible. Because you are all-rounder and hard worker, and I will love to give you flower with my own hand.
So now I am going to Janak Desai sir is all-rounder and a everywhere. If you want to Janak sir on the school here, on the road here, on the market here, everywhere. So I would like to call Rituraj. Please come on the stage. Very cooperative, sincere cooperative. So it is hard working and everything cooperating, that means so to us. So again now I'm going to call Ankit Pansal, the senior clerk of our school, an all-rounder. Please give me a clap. Very good in nature and sincere. Now I'd like to call Harsh Desai. He is also clerk in our school. I would like to call Amir Khan. Please come on the stage. He is an accountant in our school. Now I am going to call Munawar. So give a big clap. He is that means peon of the school. And Uday Singh, Laxman, Uday Singh, Laxman, Sagar, Ravinder Patil, Liaquat, and Dambar Bhai, and Manohar Bhai. Please come on the stage. So my dear parents, these are the persons, they are bringing your child. You have to give a big clap. They are the bosses, drivers. So again I am going to call Ayaz, Rita Patel. So Pastor. So again I am going to call the office persons, Madhuri Sutar. Madhuri Sutar, please. She is also junior accountant. And Barsa, she is also junior accountant. And I would like to call Kusum Ben, Kopila Ben, Kamal Ben, Lota Ben, Emma Ben, Munni Ben, and Kamal Lachel Ben. Please. They are ayahs in our school. They are watching our students, cooperating the teachers. They are also very hard worker person. So Liaquat Bhai, if you are present here, come on the stage. Last. So my dear parents, last I would like to call our honorable principal sir. So last I would like to call our principal sir. Very, very, very God in nature, cooperative, the wonderful persons among all the schools in Surat district. Whatever the school in Surat district, among all the principal, I am challenging, he is the best principal in Surat district. So I myself have to present a lovely flower to our honorable principals.
Okay, dear parents, so far, very good.
So dear parents, so please, one more I am going to present the love of token. Our principal ma'am, old school, she is also very hardworking, honest, full discipline, and both sir and ma'am, the origin of the school. Our school is standing like the great school in Palsana Taluka or in the Surat district. So only for them, they are very sincere, they are not watching time. Sir is on at night, Mammy is also at night in school. They are not watching time. Every time they are working for the school. So for such kind of person, we are having with us. So again, dear parents, give a big clap for them. I'd like to call Bharti ma'am, please come on the stage. So I like to principal son. The sir will, that means respect ma'am, the love of token.
Okay, take a photographer. Wait. Okay. So far, dear parents, it takes 8 minutes. Sorry for that one, but it is very necessary to introduce my staff. Without these staff, I cannot run the school. They are so dedicated, so hardworking. See, I got only 15 days to train the students, but they very dedicatedly, honestly did their job. When I see from the CCTV camera or just their own homework, they do and they did and they made this program a great successful one. Thank you all teachers for your hard work and honesty work. In front of the parents, I would like to extend my hearty congratulations and best of luck in your lives. May God bless you. Thank you. Now, photographer take photograph, then we will discuss.